Masti cage.
No, we're going to the pillow. No.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys are still awake. Why are you still awake?
Because we just want to talk to our friends for a little bit.
Oh, where are your friends?
Oh,
hi friends.
Hi friends, my name's Ishmael, this is Mama, and this is Isaac.
Hey, and guess what friends? Tomorrow it's Isaac's first 5K run.
Yay!
And you know how old Isaac is? How old are you? 3 years old. Isaac
3 days old.
Yes, 3 years old. Isaac is 3 years old, and we have been practicing walking long distances and trying to see if he can manage a 5K run. So tomorrow we're gonna find out, right?
Yes.
That'll be tomorrow.
Yes. Friends, you know why we're wearing pajamas? It's because it's 8:30 p.m. and it's past our bedtime, so we need to get to bed fast.
So we can wake up early in the morning and not miss the run. Okay, let's go. Get ready, get in the bed. Isaac, you get in the bed. Go up. Thank you. Get up. Come on, Isaac. Don't go too far. Good job. Good night.
I am.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, Isaac.
Good night.
Good morning. It's 8:30 a.m. and we are here at the race site. We're going to collect bibs for Ishmael and Isaac for the 5K race.
Isaac. Thank you.
Mama, there's a horse.
We have some time before the race, so let's check around a bit. Isaac was styling.
Let's go to the start where the balloons are.
But be careful not to fall into the bottom.
Isaac, you excited?
Yes.
What's special today?
Puggy.
It's your first 5K?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Are you excited for Isaac? Yes? Guys, we are excited because it is Isaac's first 5K run.
So many people are here. Time to line up.
Yes, go stand in the line. Let's go towards the back.
And the race started. Isaac and Ishmael took off and left me behind. Oh no.
Before I get a color.
Okay, yes.
Very strong start for Isaac. Go up the hill.
Keep on going. Turn.
So many kind volunteers showed the way so no one gets lost.
We are walking, Isaac.
What?
Yay. Are you Puggy?
Yes.
You're running?
Puggy.
Yeah, he's running. Oh, where's Isaac? Go run. Go. Run.
1 mile done. 2 more to go.
Marching, we're the marching band.
We walk, we jog, we run, but we never give up. 2 miles done. 1 more to go.
What did we say?
You're welcome. You need some water?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Drop it in the bin, okay? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Now. Go. Go to the balloons quick, Isaac. Go to the balloons. Run.
going, keep going.
I'm making it.
Keep going, keep going.
Ishmael finished first, and Isaac finished in under an
Cross it,
hour as
Isaac.
well. Woohoo!
So who finished his first 5K? Yay! Good job.
Hope Kids organized a wonderful event. 5K run is done, but there is so much more to do.
Rock climbing, tie-dye station, exotic animals, all sorts of fun vehicles. Tie-dye station and a lot of games. Lot of fun. Ooh, fire truck. Let's check it out.
Tired? Are you guys tired?
So many things to enjoy.
Yay!
Yeah, and then do this. Yeah, there you go. That way there. There we go. So, heck. What? I just learned a whole bunch of disco moves. Got some more neck.
It's 11 a.m. and Hope Kids have organized another run for kids. It's half-mile run.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show your mouth.
Thank you. Thank you. Ishmael? Get a medal too? Show me.
We have more energy left, so we'll go to the bouncy house.
For immediate children with cancer, other life-threatening medical conditions.
Food time, pizza and ice cream for lunch. Yum, yum.
Isaac, eat your ice cream.
No, friends, we're not done yet. Come, let's check out Digger. Look at this excavator. It is huge.
Gentle hands.
And can you believe it? There are exotic animals here too. Some you can hold and touch even. Isaac is holding a huge snake and he licked it too. Yuck.
So we're done with the race and we had what? Fun. Isaac.
That was Isaac's first 5K run. And don't forget to like and subscribe our video.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.